Good morning, guys. It's A2. What's up, you guys? So, Dad and me went out for breakfast with the man. So I'm just heading out to Woods, doing some odd jobs for people, on Marcia especially. So I'm just heading there right now. So I'll talk to you guys what we are going to be doing. So we got done what Marcia wants me to do. We did boxing canned goods and boxing spices, some food that she's not going to use right away. So that's a good project to get done. So that's what's going on, you guys. I hope you guys saw this episode, guys. Give it a big thumbs up. Good.